Hello everybody. This is AndreJMcClendon. Welcome to the show. This is the weekly news wrap up. Now, I know I'm posting kind of late. I just got my computer fixed, so I'll be cranking out the videos. So let's jump right into it. Now, this trading week's gonna be a little bit different. We do have FOMC on Wednesday, and some of the big indexes have been taking some massive hits. So let's check it out. So our first one is the S&P 500. If you look at the daily, look at this volatility right here. This has been a very interesting time trading, especially last week. A couple stop outs, but easy moves for the most part for the gains. But it was hard trying to get some long-term movements. But we're definitely going to see what the Fed's going to be doing. They were talking about doing some more quantitative easing. But we will see what's going to happen to these charts. Same thing for the Dow. Now here's our Dow on the daily, same thing, very similar chart. Now I don't think this bull run is over. I think the Fed's going to inject the markets with a lot more money coming in. So let's see where it goes. But one thing I want to go over a couple companies. So for people who are investing into the stock market, just be aware of that. A lot of companies' PE ratio is extremely high. And I've seen some in a couple hundreds and some not even available because it's so high. So just be aware of where you guys are trading and investing so you guys don't get, well, I would say, for me, I wouldn't invest in some of these companies because the PE ratio is just too high for me. Now let's check out some of that oil. Now oil has been bouncing around like a little bit crazy. It hasn't been trending. It's been trending down, but bouncing around. So I think that oil is going to need to be a little bit higher for the day, but it might be just bounce around the small range, consolidating lower and lower and lower until it makes its final move. Well, let's jump into that news. So the big news, you get some monetary policy meetings for the Australian dollar. You get the CAD, CPI month to month. What else? FOMC, that's a huge one for the dollar. So watch out for Wednesday. Wednesday's going to be really, really big for the dollar. Now we got euro. Here's a bunch of the euro news. Please check that out. If you guys want me to go in detail more, just ask me below in the comments. In my next weekly news wrap up, I'll go in detail. Just trying to keep this short. Now we get the Fed Chair Powell speak, so that's really big. A lot of news for the dollar, Australian CAD, and also the euro. So we'll jump into that news. Now here's some good articles that I'm currently reading now. All right, this is pretty much everywhere on the news about that Epstein and the prison guards. I like Zero Hedge reading the news, so this is a good article to check out. All right, next one is 12 reasons why negative rates will be devastate the world. This is guys talking about how negative interest rates are. It's killing us, but we'll see if the Fed can hold it on a little bit longer before the markets do crash. And our last one is lessons from Venezuela. Now, this is on that whole socialism movement that we're doing in the United States. And, you know, I'm not a fan of socialism, but we'll see that if the people want it, they can use other countries as examples to see how it would affect their own country. But that's the weekly news wrap-up, guys. Please check my social media, AndreJMcClendon.com. Also, there's some huge updates for the website. It will be coming out September 1st, so please check that out. And thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.